Basically, for all my life, I loved movies and TV shows. Like, if you know me, I'm a big movie guy. I have always been interested in what is the movie and making experience like. And I thought this place was a really good opportunity to learn how a movie was made.
This week we've been running a project for Film Cymru, put in the door, called Make a Film in a Week. Opportunity is the key word. We specifically wanted to target people who don't get opportunities to ever, experience, working on a film set. They are responsible for making this film.
But it's brilliant for the local community. I mean, it gets so many people involved, people that normally wouldn't have a chance at anything like this.
I used to think that the film industry was this kind of locked door that you could never break into, but after networking with so many industry professionals, I've learned that it is accessible, and if I want to do it, I can.
So I think it's really, really good for our community to come together to create something. For one, we get something at the end of it. I feel lifted, and I'm so glad that I stepped outside my comfort zone to be a part of it today.